Selling your home is a big decision and it's easy to feel overwhelmed with all the moving parts. But here's the thing, asking yourself the right questions before you list your home can set you up for a smoother process and help you get the best results. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 questions every seller should ask themselves before they list their home. The first question is, why do I want to sell? This question is important because it will guide everything that we do during the sale. Are you moving to be closer to family or because of work? Are you upsizing to a larger space or downsizing? All of this is important to help us determine the strategy that we'll use. The second question that you should ask yourself is, what is my timeline? The timeline is important because it influences everything that we'll do, from pricing to marketing to determining the amount of time we have to prep your home to go on the market. The third question you should be asking yourself is, what's next? Where will I live after this? It's easy to focus on your current sale, but planning your next move is just as important. For instance, if you have a strict deadline on where you'll need to be next, you may not want to be paying for 2 locations at the same time. This will influence your sale. The fourth question is, do I need or want to make repairs or updates? There are 2 ways to approach this, but the one thing that you'll want to make sure that you're doing is to plan within your budget and your timeline. The first approach is doing your updates and your repairs upfront before listing your home. The second approach is to build the updates and repairs into your pricing and plan for negotiations. Question number 5 is, what kind of help do I need? Selling your home can feel like a full-time job, but the good news is you don't have to do it on your own. Ask yourself, do I need help with staging, marketing, pricing, or negotiations? If so, hiring a real estate agent can take a lot of stress off your plate. Real estate agents are here to make sure your home is priced, marketed, and prepped for success while making sure that the process is seamless. Selling your home doesn't have to be overwhelming, but it does take planning. Starting with these 5 questions can give you clarity and help make the process much more manageable. If these questions helped, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.